Why you're not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure.
From using inappropriate language on tickers carrying the news of Sushant Singh Rajput's death to thrusting a mic in his father's face, journalists have come under a load of criticism these days. Now, there were recent reports that Sushant's psychiatrist had actually revealed details of the issues Sushant was facing. But now his doctor has come out with a statement on his social media account denying that he violated any patient-doctor relationship and confidentiality, and in fact accused the news sites for creating false news. While the police continue their investigation, on the other hand, a legal case has been filed against Sushant Singh Rajput's rumored girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty in Bihar. It's unfortunate to see the outpouring of anger and angst that's divided Bollywood fans after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. But the most unfortunate scenes we have had to see after the actor's death is the insensitivity with which people have spread fake news and shared sensitive pictures and videos of the actor and his family as they battle their emotions after hearing about his death. While the police are still investigating why Sushant died so tragically, his fans were shocked to hear that confidential reports from Sushant's psychiatrist had been leaked that allegedly revealed the actor regretted breaking up with Ankita Lokhande, who was his partner for 6 years.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये हमेशा मेरे पीछे है. Like he loves me and he's always there for me. So I don't need to be possessive about it.
Why you're not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure.
While these reports were later retracted, Sushant's psychiatrist has come out strongly against these allegations and issued a clarification on social media with a screenshot of the investigating officer's interaction with a journalist. The doctor wrote in his post, "It is incredible how much filth there is in the media, wherein the most basic confidentiality issue between a client and a therapist is just trampled upon with great impunity. Thank God for professionals like DCP Abhishek, who is aware of the tenets of the client-doctor privileged communication. On my request, he was kind enough to send me this snapshot." In another development related to the case, a resident of Muzaffarpur in Bihar has filed a complaint against Sushant's rumored girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty and accused her of abetting his death. This is the second case filed in Bihar after a local advocate Sudhir Kumar Oja filed a petition accusing Bollywood bigwigs Salman Khan, Karan Johar, Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Ekta Kapoor and others of stalling Sushant's career.
अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के अगर मैं किसी एक इंसान जो एक ही इंसान के बारे में सोचूंगी जिन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रहे हैं जहां मैं आज हूं उनके में तो वो एकता मैम है तो वो तो हुक्म करेंगे और हम फॉलो करेंगे.
It is indeed unfortunate that instead of coming together as a community and understanding how young minds can be protected from stress and depression, people have sensationalized the actor's tragic death and spread false information and accusations to merely grab eyeballs. अगर ये उनकी यादों की तौहीन नहीं तो और क्या है?